Did anyone Heather? Did you catch SEDG Solar Edge?
No, Kev did.
Oh my
Yeah, I'm in that.
Oh, last time I played it was like $26. I'm looking at 77. What the? Damn.
Welcome back, buddy.
Thank you. Long story.
Hell, I should have grabbed MicroStrategy before I grabbed Coinbase. That motherfucker's already starting.
I hear ya.
What's your thesis behind this coin short? This is like it always bottoms out around here.
Structural.
Okay.
Yeah, structural. Just so if you kind of zoom out a little bit, I'm looking at the 2-hour time frame, potential head and shoulder pattern. That's what I'm seeing. So I want to see this head and shoulder pattern play out and trend it back down towards the low of the 28th.
I see you. Like 162-ish, right? 160. Yeah. 160.
Around 169, 170, 169 is possibly
That's-
bounce right there, but it could take that out and go lower. So
Right.
I'm targeting 170.
Holy fucking IWM. What the fuck?
Yeah, top two like CRDLP if they keep going.
Yeah, IWM's expected move. I was going to say this earlier. I got someone called Ticker, but expected move 291.32. Watch for that to be the Ivy wall 291.32. Start selling into that in your calls. Call wall 292. Looks like what people would call an inverted head and shoulders there. But watch for you for your levels.
Yeah, I saw the 292s OS, and I had a buy order just for 2 of them at 8 cents at the open there, and it took it. And this other one's trading at 60 cents now.
Yeah.
Ticker. Don't sleep on Meta. These 595s are fuck around about to go into money. If you look at the pre-market low, dipped all the way down as low as 585. So don't sleep on Meta.
Yeah, honestly, Meta's one of the cheapest stocks out here right now.
Well, I'm talking about on this short.
Oh, are you sure? Oh, you sure, Meta?
Okay, so I said that these 595s are about to go into money. So you got to kind of listen. That's kind of just at 598 now. So
I missed you.
Inputs.
Ticker. Our penguins are dancing. PENG. Keep your eyes if you're in PENG. Our penguins are dancing this morning.
Ticker CRDO. I scaled some on that initial push. Now it's coming back into my entry, so I'm going to stop out. I won't let it go red on the remaining shares. Let's see if we can get a deeper dip. Like I said, I bought this last night down at 52 on CRDU. So if we can get down there, that would be nice. That's the daily 20.
Ticker. Also, don't sleep on this Tesla short. I got the 410s for tomorrow. So I'm short Tesla, Meta, and Coin. Let's see how that goes.
Ticker IONQ. I'm going to take the 75s for this week. It's got to break yesterday's high.
Ticker. One of the names of the space, title DXST, catching that bid. DXST, told y'all to keep an eye on that. Look at that volume, 14 million in volume early, up 164% on the day. DXST is getting that push. Had a pre-market high of 480. See if it can go back up there and clear that.
Ticker. Marvell closing the weekly calls 260s from 2 to 20.
Ticker. DXST is actually clearing the daily value area, getting over the 50 on the daily. To me, makes this bullish. Shout out to Divine on that. So if it clears that 480 pre-market high, next level up I have is 507. If it clears 507, see if it can trend towards $8. DXST.
Ticker PENG, new all-time high. 68
Boom.
plus.
Shout out to Bull Bear on that one.
Yeah.
me buying a dip on any 75 70 visit on SPX. I'm going to be buying a call for the 7600 revisit.
Nice. Ticker DXST halted to the upside. Ticker DXST. Descent Holdings DXST halted to the upside.
Ticker. Keep your eyes on Quantum. They're all running. RGTI currently up. My goodness, up 3.1% on the day. Pulling back a little bit right now could be a good entry, but Quantum seems to be running today.
It seems like they're selling everything back. CRDO just went all the way back.
Yep.
What? Minus super. Oh.
Yeah, I mentioned that it was coming back to my entry, so I got out the rest of it.
So real quick. Looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, both of those still look fully bearish. Ethereum looking like it's trying to create another H pattern intraday. So just keep an eye on that. Ethereum, it could go ahead and take out that 1963.75 low. You can see a deeper dip. Looking at gold and silver after having gapped up, pulling back, holding that gap zone, holding value areas on GLD and SLV. Looks like GDX and CLJ, the miners, looking like they're catching that bid. Dust is biting the dust, looking like it's trending towards that overnight low. FAST looking like it got a big rejection after trying to spike out the gate. RSP looking super strong out the gate. The 10-year's looking confused right now. Dazed and confused is the 10-year right now. I can't figure out which way did he go. MAGS looking like it got a big rejection and trending to the downside. The VVIX and VVIX both trying to figure it out. The VIX trending to the downside. The VVIX tried to have a bounce. See which one figures it out first. NDX and SPX both were trending to the downside, so somebody's lying. You see SPY got a big rejection. Q's got a big rejection, but the Russell and the Dow are full bull. Can't stop, won't stop the Russell and the Dow. Amazon looks fully bearish early out the gate, while Apple is super strong early out the gate. Microsoft with a big top wick. Microsoft is in Drill Team 6 formation. Google is right behind it. NVIDIA pulling back, trying to hold value. Tesla looking like it's ready to take the nasty plunge. Meta also ready to take the nasty plunge. So hopefully my puts will pay. Big rejection on Micron. See if it can hold a value area. Palantir got a big rejection. I said earlier in the pre-market it looked like it'd have a deeper pullback. Netflix still bearish. Like I said in the pre-market, still trending down towards 80 or under 84. Broadcom got a rejection, pulling back, trying to hold that gap value area. Hood looks bearish. Adobe looks bearish. Intel had a big bounce on Intel back over the pre-market low area. Keep an eye on that. Oracle had a strong push out the gate, pulling back, holding value, seeing if it can hold this area. Same with United Health. Coin getting a nice push while MicroStrategy is getting a rejection, but I'm still bearish Coin, so it don't matter.
Ticker BE. I closed like 1/4 of my position. Still holding. Let's see.
Ticker Marvell. Those roll-up calls we just got already up 20%, $300 a contract, half out.
OS, thank you for that IWM level. I closed that second 92 out at 700%.
Good morning.
Very nice.
Good morning.
Is there news or something, or just?
Good morning, Finamics. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. Looks like software is taking a breather today. That's a good thing in my mind. I just took the first trim on Arista from $5. I paid, this was the day after Cisco earnings. I switched all my money to Arista and I took the first trim here today. $5.40 for a $145 call, and I sold it for $29.70. I have another, 4 different contracts in the next 5 weeks. So, got plenty to go. I don't know, 18, 30, about 60, 61 contracts left.
Nice. Ticker DXST unhalted. DXST unhalted, up 160%.
Ticker QCOM over its call wall here. I would like to buy really any dip into 230 here. I did chase on one contract, but I'll keep it small. Looking for this thing to potentially squeeze into that 245 zone, 250 zone. Keep an eye on this. Again, you're not my favorite way, but we're breaking a call wall. We could see this thing squeeze up into that 245 to 250 zone.
So options, I talked about this yesterday in that space. Qualcomm is really the only one now selling, data center chips to China, right? You've got that new update that blocks whatever hole was left in the
The loophole
law.
fix.
Yeah. So, but Qualcomm is selling ASICs. So yeah, day before yesterday they got a big order, or yesterday they got a big order from ByteDance. So Qualcomm is not impacted. So they're the only ones making hay while everybody else is stuck.
Yeah. I was listening in for a little bit last night, and I didn't hear you mention that. That was a good spaces right there.
It sure was. It was awesome. We're going to do it again next week.
Ticker, PanW 330 calls out, 350 calls June 12th out, both over 150%.
Ticker
Boom.
IWM. I rolled up into the 293s. Just one, just for a runner on this play here.
Ticker Poet starting another run. So it went down all the way to 12 and it's now $15 in 3 days. So this could be interesting here.
Sorry, what was that ticker?
Poet.
Oh, okay, got you.
And yesterday when you brought that up, I said that was going to be fantastic for Seavers, and that ended up going from 6:30 to 11 this morning.
Ticker, QCOM taking 370 for, what did I just take? June 18th, 370 calls chasing premium. Just got filled. 55 cents.
Ticker, IBM.
Ticker JPM. I'm looking for it to recover 300 and then go all the way to 310. I have a small position, but I might add here if it stabilizes here.
It was up earlier. I haven't looked since. Let me see.
Ticker IONQ. I took a small position. $75 calls for this week. And I'm about to get stopped out on these BE calls. It's better bounce here. Let's see.
USO is still moving to the upside, approaching the 500-day, though.
Ticker. NVIDIA 230 call. I only got a couple of them that expire Friday.
I'm keeping a big move, but let's see if we could keep it up.
Yo.
Good morning.
Hey, good
Yo,
morning, baby.
Ticker
Morning.
PENG. Ticker PENG 918 $80 calls.
Oh shit. Penguins are out, boy.
Penguins are out.
Yes, sir. GM.
Good morning. Ticker
Good morning, bro.
ticker INFQ June 18th, taking the $35 calls, chasing premium.
Ticker
Ticker.
ping. 65 calls, 717, up 468%. Moving up stocks.
Boom. Ticker BZAI. Another one to keep it on your watch list. Looking like it's starting to catch that bid a little bit. This is another one of those smart city plays, along with GRRR. Keep that one on your radar too. Starting to catch a bid as well. And REKR. All of these are kind of similar. They're parallel with one another in what they do. Smart cameras, smart cities, plate readers, all that good shit. Flock cameras, all that.
Uh, Yo, AJ.
You're
Here. Yo, look at the UPS, bro. You have a runner
you're
left, right?
you're that's all I gotta say to that one.
Let's
You're
go, boy. Yeah.
the printer service became your service. We reclassified UPS to
Yep.
your
Shit's up
Ticker
225%.
KULR starting to catch that bid. Cooler starting to catch that bid. I'm still holding my calls. KULR, stop playing.
let's go.
Boy.
And ticker, I know we are in short term STM, but we're also in the leaps. The $60 leaps for January just crossed 350%.
Let's go.
I'm holding.
KUR is about to break all the way out. KULR is about to break all the way out, in my personal opinion.
I grabbed some USAI $30 puts for this week. USAI in this pullback.
So you shorten the rare earths, right? You know, right before they make the decision on who they're going to get the money to.
Yeah, I got these at right at what I got them at $112. They're at 140 now. Yeah, I think I'll play the bounce. Definitely, I'll grab the 35 calls for January 2027 on this the bounce.
DXST halted to the upside again, up 193%. DXST. We found us a runner, bro.
Let's go.
Yeah, this one's about to go insane. I'm currently up 50%. I was about to try to move up my stop and lock in some profit, man. This thing just halted on me again, like it did me yesterday. Not this one, a different one.
Yeah, boy. Um, I'm I'm so far deep in Pan W, but half of the position is pretty much uh free. I'm gonna trim up some, but yeah, I'm gonna leave the rest for this Pan W. I think Pan W has room to run. That's just my take. That's not financial advice.
Oh,
If
I'm
you see green, you
fully
take green.
loaded.
Yeah.
Fully loaded on PNW. Locked and loaded.
Hmm. As always, if you're gonna play Pan W for earnings, make sure you guys are hedged or you're not playing. Period. Especially if you have a small account and you're a new trader. Don't do it.
I will be taking profits and leaving a runner.
Ticker SKM, not to be confused with STM. SKM, $45 calls for July. In the money, 110%. Trimming some runners here.
Boom.
Thank you.
Yeah, I tripped mine at the open.
Let's go, boy. I feel like adding more.
Ticker ZS. Zscaler. I'm gonna grab some long term leaps on this. It's down 9% right now. I'm trying box last year and it's been getting destroyed.
Which one?
ZS Zscaler.
Oh yeah.
Does anyone know why it's getting destroyed?
I mean, didn't it get whacked with all the other SaaS names, and isn't it starting to come back with all the other SaaS names? It's not one I chart frequently, but let me see.
I've talked
It's one that I know
extensively
Monich
about
it's
this.
it's one that I know Monich is looking for backfill
Yeah,
fill on that, but like it got destroyed, like he said, so much.
Bro, it's getting destroyed right now too, still. It's crazy.
I mean, all of SaaS is resting today, right? IGV is resting, and SMH is going today. They just keep taking turns, but I think generally speaking, all of the IGV names are probably forming a bottom. Just it's a process.
Yo, guys, remember CODX? That shit went to $9 this morning. Do not sleep on this ticker. It's already up 23% today. CODX. The Ebola outbreak is getting even worse in Africa. Do some reading. You'll see what's going on there. CODX. Last time I'm gonna remind you guys about this. Next time it's probably gonna be at 20 or $30 when I mention this.
Dude, I'm so sorry. What was the ticker again?
It's CODX. Charlie
Yeah.
Oscar David X-ray.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
Ticker DXST unhalted.
Oh, here comes that.
Ticker TE, $7 calls for August. Trimming another quarter here, 225%.
Jolt's numbers this morning, actual was 7.618, expecting 6.86.
Ticker ON. I'm taking the 135 calls this week. It's risky, but I like it. It just broke yesterday's high.
Ticker. I've been saying it for the last couple of days. Keep an eye on Gorilla Technologies. GRRR.
There's the
And
grizzly
real
bear.
quick, yeah, that's the Grizzly. Just taking a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, both still look bearish. The H pattern on Ethereum looking like it's trying to play out. Bitcoin just subsequently just keep on consecutively taking out low after low after low. Let's see if Coinbase is ready to go. Right down. See if it can take out that 175 MicroStrategy well under 140. Should have grabbed those because it's already $2 down. UNH still look like it's ready to drill. Oracle's flagging. Oracle's flagging still looks like this is a potential dip buy. A dip area to buy. Adobe. Let's see how far Adobe wants to go down. Adobe's getting close to a value area it could possibly bounce from, but Adobe looks like it still has a little bit more downside to go. Intel still looks like it's. If it takes out the low, then it's going to have a nice blowout as long as it can hold that low, play it to the upside. AMD had a nice spike up 1.3%. Looking like it's pulling back currently. Looking for a value area to buy from. Netflix looks like it's super duper bearish. Could possibly bounce right here for a short entry. Palantir hanging out at the lows. Micron getting a pullback. Tesla is still just kind of consolidative, real wiki. Went ahead and closed that Tesla and Meta position out, took the loss on those, don't want to wait any longer. They're both starting to look a little topsy-turvy. Google started to bounce from. Microsoft is just still Microsoft. Indeed, just consolidating to the downside. Potential short setup on Microsoft. Amazon, look for a potential H pattern after that sell for another roll at the low. Dow's kind of holding serve. Dow pulled back and is holding serve. Look for that to bounce. The Russell look like it's ready to bounce. SPY and Qs look like they're holding value areas. SPX and NDX as well. The VIX look like it wants to continue trending down. You got a rejection on the VVIX. See if that wants to continue trending down, if it can find support. MAX looking like it's still trying to bounce. The 10-year still dazed and confused, while RSP is trying to hold a value area. Dust and FAS is pulling back from that pump, while the gold and silver miners and gold and silver both are trying to bounce.
Ticker USAR, $30 calls for this week are up 40%. I mean puts, my bad. $30 puts for this week are up 40%. Move up your stops, trim, do whatever you want to do.
Ticker TSLL exited my position, closed it fully. Also, IBIT looking to take the 3850 calls for Friday. Be careful. These also have, week or daily tri-weekly options. Don't take tomorrow, take Friday. 3850 puts on IBIT. 3850 puts.
Ticker. DXST over 200% on the day, looking like it's ready to go clear 5. Already tested 5 and got a rejection. It's ready to go clear that 5. It clears 5. It's probably going to 8. DXST, see at the top.
Ticker, trimming some IBM 380 August 21 calls from 4 to 16. Just a small set. Also, ticker IREN July 17 $80 calls from 5 to 720, up 31%.
Boom. Yeah, I'm still holding the IREN. Got the 80s for August and the 80s for July. One up 34%, other up 87%. Still holding.
Ticker BE. Just pissed me off. I'm just closing it out. It got rejected at 298 like 3 times. I think I'm gonna get some more calls on IONQ. It's looking like it's getting ready to run.
ticker, Micron, new all-time high. And if this continues today, we're finally going to get the flippening where double Micron is higher in price than single Micron. Been calling for this for a long time since it was less than half the price. And it might even be double the price at one point.
Yep, I do remember you saying that 100%. Ticker. Moving up stops on DXST, up 65% on my common position. It's looking like it's ready to push. 5 is holding. It's above my $5, $5.08 level. See if it can hold that. We're going to $8.
Kev, watch your Netflix short here. It looks like it may bounce back up.
Ticker APLD, July 70 strikes. APLD, July 70 strike. This is trading at $49 right now. 236,000 worth.
APLD.
Applied Digital. Yep.
Okay. Ticker. Going back into IONQ, chasing premium, taking the 120s for June 18th at 44 cents.
Ticker Qualcomm, June 18th, 300s. Premium, I guess. I don't know.
Ticker. Another one of the titles of the space. This was up there yesterday. GNTA. Yesterday it spiked up to 342. See if we can get that same spike going on right there. But I have a level of 277. Let's see if we can get above 277 first. GNTA. Title of the space.
Ticker. GitLab, GTLB, our 618 $55 calls are now up 500%.
It's got earnings today.
Boom.
Yes, sir.
I've got June 22 and a half, 25 calls that I'm sitting in the money on that.
Nice. Are you holding for earnings, Mon?
Oh, yeah. I'm holding. It's hedged.
Nice.
All out of those USAR puts, those $30 puts for this week, up 42%.
Nice.
To grab these 35 calls. 35 calls for 717 USAR.
Ticker. ASTS, for those of you who are still in it, nice flag it's going to break out of now. Next target, 115. After that, we want to see it break high of day, 115.10, approaching 115 right now, 115.10, and then off to the races.
Ticker. COIN. I think that's about to melt. I think we're about to get it. And I think this head and shoulder pattern is about to play out. And we're about to get a push right down to that 170. COIN.
Ticker Nvidia 240 calls for 618. Trimming half the position here, up 100%. Y'all need to stop playing when I tell y'all about Nvidia, boy.
Boom.
Playing out here. They're
Move up stops on ticker. Move up stops on these SPY calls and QQQ call swings from yesterday. Wee. And ticker Marvell pushing for new high a day. 300 should come fast. 320 should be in the money by next week.
ticker ORCL, Oracle. $300 calls for 918, up 65%. Move up my stops on that.
Ticker added a couple of ARM 410 calls for Friday.
Ticker RKLB. 135 calls for this week. Premiums are quite hefty, but let's see. It had a huge drop yesterday.
Guys, I apologize, but one of you is creating an echo. So if you're not speaking, could you please go on mute? It's probably me. Hold on.
I don't hear that guy.
Morning,
Good
guys.
morning.
Ticker Nvidia's call wall, aggregated call walls in the money, 227. Bullish Nvidia,
Boom.
335 for June 18.
Shorty,
Ticker.
where was your price? Go ahead, bro. Finish.
IONQ just broke yesterday's high. I think it's my echo shit. But keep an eye on IONQ. Broke yesterday's high. I'm still in the 75s this week.
Ticker, guys, ping, please. If you took these 65 calls that we got into, they were 283. They're at $17.45. Please take green when you see green. Do not give this back. Ping.
Man, I took green a long time ago, not even gonna lie.
Good job. At least you took green, boy. You didn't go red.
Nah, if it's not my trade and I'm following somebody and they're not walking me through it every day, like saying hold it or
Yeah.
whatever, man, as soon as I see the good green, I'm gone. Good green, I'm gone.
I don't I don't blame you, bro. Take that good green and run. That was a hell of a play, man. Man,
Facts.
y'all be giving up bangers in here all day, every day. Look at you guys.
Ticker. If ARM can stay above that lower day, essentially stay above 400 specifically, I think it could run back up towards 420. I'd like it to stay above actually 392. Gets back below 392, it might be a problem.
Ticker. NVIDIA, June 18th, taking the $300 calls, chasing premium.
17, up 10%. Never push stops. Stop playing with me out here.
I heard the birds say stop playing.
They
Birds
did.
took a vacation, bro. They took a
The
vacation.
birds are out
I need
here.
to take a vacation after the last couple of weeks.
Didn't you just get back?
Yeah.
Huh?
Didn't you just get back?
It's been like a month. It's a long ass time.
Yo, AJ, call me at noon, bro.
I bet. Well, I'll be offline tomorrow because I'll be at the game.
Nice.
Ticker reloading the 292 calls on IWM, just a lotto.
Ticker Qualcomm, $300 calls, June 18th, already up 30%, 32%. First trims. They price this. They've mispriced this Qualcomm contract.
They did. That's why I jumped in this morning.
Yeah, this is not. This thing is. It's gonna. You're gonna wake up one. It's gonna be up $30.
Let's go.
AJ, can you text that to me? I'm in the middle of a meeting.
Yeah.
Are we full? I can't get HGH up again.
Hey, check your text. We're not full. I'll try to get him back.
See if you can get them up. Thank you.
Pause.
Big pause.
Ticker RKLB. If it breaks this level right here, it's gonna run. I don't know. Yeah, here it goes. I'm still in the 135s.
Let's go.
Ticker AMPX. Is this a double levered or something? I don't remember. $30 calls for 821, 170,000 premium. Does this ticker ring a bell to anybody?
Nope, I'm in AMPG.
Okay, copy. AMPX.
I've heard of that one before. Is that American Express?
No.
No, that's AXP.
I'm looking up. It's called
AXP.
Amper's Technology. I don't even know what the hell this thing is. Whatever.
I mean, I've seen the ticker before. I don't think I've ever traded it though.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. I don't care.
Oh shit, yeah, that shit's breaking out, bro.
I'm grabbing the $30 calls, bro. I could care less. I don't even know what it is.
Yeah, this thing is breaking out. It's up 10%.
Ticker VEEV, VEEV. Shout out to Monative. 618 to 60 calls, up 87%. Monative, you said the earnings were this week? VEEV?
Yeah, let me just look it up. Give me a second.
Kev,
Yeah, it's tomorrow.
oops, go ahead. My bad. Finance.
Thank you.
Kev, I'm seeing posts about plug $5 June calls and July $6 calls. Just so you, I think you're still in that.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm no longer in plug.
Oh, I am. I'm still in it.
Someone has a horrible feedback.
It must be me
I think
then.
it's you, BB. Try mute for a sec. Divine, can you go on mute for a sec? Your mic is open.
I'm muted. It's a self-muting mic.
Fancy.
Yeah, now there's no feedback. Also, no one's talking, so.
You got a self-muting mic? That is some fancy ass shit.
You just
Ticker.
Just a heads up, guys. My internet's acting up, so I may get shut down here shortly. Just an FYI.
Ticker BE. If it breaks this 298, it's going back up to at least 3. I got the next level. I got is 311.80. It's got to break this 298. It's the fourth time it's testing it on the 15-minute chart.
Ticker RMBS, $175 calls, June 18.
Nice. Ticker coin starting to drill. This 170 puts up 40%. Coin starting to drill.
Ticker IONQ. I got stopped out, and I'm stopping out of my ON calls as well. Couldn't.
Ticker, 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 ticker. Don't sleep on TSSI. TSSI. Don't sleep on TSSI. Look like it could make a push to 20. Speaking of that, I have a couple of those for January.
Great call on coin. Great call on coin. Shit is dumping.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it was either that or MicroStrategy. I know I was gonna play one of them.
Yeah. Even they ran up Hood and now they're trying to bring it back down. That was a crazy run last week on Hood. It's like 25% in 2 days.
And once again, I call the top and hold every time. I hate this stuff. I swear.
Oh, here we go. Here we go on BE. It's hitting 300.
Gotta love those New York City vibes.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. I think BB.
Yeah. Uh,
Shit, man. I'm about to get stopped out on these RKLB calls.
bro, AJ, this AMPX, bro. Have you looked at the monthly chart on this? Over $26 it goes
It's
straight.
all-time highs, 26,
Yeah,
On what?
yeah.
On what?
Huge monthly breakout, all-time high
yeah.
breakout is loading on it.
What are you talking about?
The AMPX that you mentioned.
Oh, bet. Yeah, I just got a message from somebody who's been following the ticker since it was 9. So shout out to
Yeah,
people who know about it because I just blindly clicked that button.
yeah. It's on a month. It's in a full breakout, bro.
Works for me. It's pretty cheap. It's 30s.
26. Yeah. What expert did you got
Uh,
for?
821.
Oh yeah.
is the big 16 flat?
Hey,
16 flat.
Oh yeah, we
hey,
just
Sean, you
bounced off
still in
of it.
iMoney?
Yeah, I missed my stop out. I'm
What?
watching it
What?
here.
No, it looks like it's good. I'm about to buy some. The 292s for the day.
That
Looks like it's kind of hold its value
yeah, that's what
area.
I'm in right now. 292. I have 292s for today, and I have 297s for the 4th.
Joker, don't size heavy on that QCOM contract, bro. It's a gamble on the premium play.
I took one
That's
contract.
fine. You can track it. Just letting you know. Like for me, I even sized half.
I added Kev at 14 cents.
292s? Yeah,
Yeah,
292.
292s.
Rubio's talking, FYI.
The funniest message I saw, yo, somebody tell Rubio to shut the hell up. BB, C ticker C is getting flow. Your stock. 137's 618 is getting loaded pretty aggressively.
AJ, you seeing those listen,
It's on fire.
Ticker, 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 ticker. Keep an eye on WULF. WULF. Wolf. Terror Wolf. Right now, I'm in the 33s for July 17th. I'm in the 33s for July 17th, looking like it's holding a strong value area, and it's trying to clear that May 28th high. WULF.
Thank you for that one. I'm gonna probably tail that city flow.
70 puts up 55%, moving up stops.
I was talking all this time. Sorry, AJ. You doing July or June?
I'm gonna do July because they grabbed the June 137s.
Yeah, I'm gonna do July.
I mean, I know. That's why I was asking you because you know this ticker
July.
better than me.
July
This is your ticker.
130.
Do you agree with the?
Yep.
I mean, okay.
Yes, 100%.
All right. You know this ticker better than I do, bro. So I'm asking you.
Yep, 100%.
Copy.
Ticker, I
See,
added one more time to the 292 IWMs at 10 cents, averaged out at 4 cons at 15 cents.
I was just going to say, Sean, I got in at 9 cents.
Nice grab.
I waited for the pullback. Ticker, Wolf still, WULF still in the 618.30s, up 50%.
Actually,
Rubio
BB,
just said
I grabbed the
Iran deal could
140s.
happen today, tomorrow, next week. He also said there is a prospect that Iran has agreed to negotiate aspects of nuclear program that they previously refused to mention in discussions.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. I thought you were done.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I was just gonna tell BB I grabbed the 140s for July instead, right into earnings.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, I learned a little something from you, bro.
Let's go, boy. I don't have any more bird food over here. I think that's why you're hearing them so much. They're hungry.
Sounds like they're happy.
Yeah, happy and hungry.
I'm going to walk down and hang out next to the chickens and start trading so you get that in the background too.
Yeah,
Oh, Lord,
You're
here we
probably
go.
happy watching all your subway stations get repainted blue and orange.
blue and orange. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
so Heather, you the bird whisperer. You can tell when they're happy and hungry.
Well,
She
they're
has 6
singing.
dogs. Are we not surprised she probably runs a mini farm in her backyard or some shit?
You better head
Ticker,
over to
ticker,
OS's house and talk to that cardinal then.
ticker,
Ticker.
ticker,
Oh, shit.
ticker, GOOG. This is not particularly awesome trade, but it's a 3-to-1. I took a 612. So next week's 367, 380, 250. So that's a 15 wide vertical. I paid $5. That's okay. It's a very short time. So 3-to-1 is still good. If I get in a week, even if I double it, I'm more than happy. So 367.50 long, 382.50 short, and that's $5.
Ticker SNOW Snow. Fill that little gap, but I'm grabbing the 280s for next week.
All right. I'm gonna say this very slowly because this I'm in shock on this one too. Ticker MU 618 350 calls, trimming one half of my runners here from 23 to 630 a contract.
Let's go, boy.
Holy shit.
Oh, good shit.
Yeah, that's 2,000 that became 65,000.
No getting bored later.
Good job holding that.
I'm gonna exercise that last one that I have.
Diamond hand, bird.
Yeah, no kidding.
He's
Diamond
learning.
dropping hands. Good
He's
shit.
learning. If it was one time, he would have sold that already. So he's doing good.
That would have been sold months ago for
Yeah.
him.
Yeah. I noticed
I sold all the other leaps, but that I have. I still have a few more left. I do had a lot more.
I noticed that he's also buying time on his contracts. So there you go.
Yeah. Thanks, BB, for that one. I learned a lesson.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're beautiful ad on IWM. You're up like 90% already. Love it.
Thank you, love. Appreciate it. I was waiting for the perfect opportunity.
Hey, AJ, this is one that might interest you. Zscaler, July. Okay, so July 25 wide, 160, 185. I paid $3.70. 25 wide.
Yo, have you guys ever seen a bird pee before?
No.
Only afterwards when I had to clean
No.
up the
That's shitting, though.
screen.
That's not peeing.
No, no. I just saw this bird just literally landed on my garage and peed. I've never seen that before.
It
I
it
haven't
has the
either.
runs. It has the runs. It ate some bad seeds.
Ticker, ticker. Oracle 325 strike for July 10th. Article 325 strike for July 10th. That's like 50% out of the money.
Yeah.
518,000 worth.
Yes, yes. Please send it.
I just got 618, 430 strikes on COHR for over 750,000.
Hmm.
Mm.
Oh, imagine this. Let's fucking go. Ticker, ticker. HUBC. Try to tell y'all. Try to tell y'all. Up 800% on my shares. Let's go.
What a nice
Nice
grab,
Boom.
trade. Nice trade.
BB.
Yes, sir.
Ticker BE. It's breaking over 300.
What is Hub C at? What, like 90 cents now?
Almost. Yep.
What is it at?
Yep. Almost
Okay,
90.
yeah.
Yes.
I remember it was like 30 something cent when you said it. I was just like, man, I'm not buying that.
Yep. Let's go. It's fully bully
Ticker,
right now.
ticker, ticker, ticker. IWM is on the move. Ticker, ticker. The Russell is on the move. Let's go. Never added to my 292s. I just held them.
Keep an eye on Qualcomm here, guys. Keep an eye on Qualcomm. Could see a pretty decent squeeze and maybe a 4 or 5 point squeeze here.
Let's go.
Oh, shit.
All right, folks, I gotta go drop my daughter. I'll be back in an hour. I'm gonna drop. I'll be back in an hour. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks,
Right
Don.
on.
Drive safe.
Take it easy. By the way, I just posted in the Nest chart of Sievers, so you can see exactly where bears got trapped. Daily 20 SMA EMA combo. It's there on the chart. Exact same level they got trapped at before earnings. The first arrow on the chart, and where I started buying the dip after my first initial entry at $1. And also same setup as CRDO when it flushed under 200 to 199 or so last night, and same setup as Nvidia recently, as Micron down at 640. This is a really repeatable same setup as ARM. ARM went nuts off the 20-day. That was like down below 200. So this is a setup you want to watch for on the daily chart. Stock that's running pulls back to the 20 EMA, SMA, 21 gets used, whatever, just somewhere around the 20s, and pulls back in there, holds it, and typically bounces aggressively.
On a daily, you said?
On the daily, yeah.
Yeah.
I love that setup
Yep.
because everyone gets really bearish as it, starts losing the 5-day and the 10-day, and then, closes with a big bearish engulfing, closes on like the 20-day moving average, but like holds it, and then you get a crazy snapback.
Yeah. I totally agree on that.
Yeah, it happens like that on the 50 as well. Yeah, you get a gap up or something.
Mm-hmm.
I've been psyched out like that a time or two.
Just so you guys know, for HUBC, there's only about 1 million shares left. It's went from about 5 days to cover now down to 1 day to cover. But institutions own over 90% of this float, so it's already up 72% today and pushing over one. Well, if it gets over $1, it's RIP.
It's Israeli defense tech.
Exactly. Yep. I mentioned that too. So it's dirt cheap.
Ticker Tesla. Might be time to go long. I'm gonna wait for this break over 424.60. And shout out to Manfred. I put the video up top, bro. I'm laughing. The bird song is way louder than AJ. Oh, bro, that's a good one. That's a good one right there.
CODX. Ooh, just got an alert for BLDP. Hold on, what happened here? Says it's at 52-week high. Oh, yep, sure is. Ballard Power, BLDP, up
Let's
3.5%
go.
and pushing. Oh, it's about to break out, boy. Still,
We're in the $8
yep,
calls.
still sitting in shares and calls on this one. Somebody's on their motorcycle right now, boy.
Ticker. Aluminum catching that bid. Man, I meant to say something about this earlier when it first spiked out the gate. Totally forgot, got lost in a bunch of other shit. CENX, my $65 calls are up 125%. CENX, still just been holding it, still pushing. Aluminum, I told you I'm bullish aluminum. Aluminum is about to go to new all-time highs. Shout out to OS. I remember I asked you to check out aluminum on the futures chart.
Yep. Cranking.
Where'd Joanne? Oh, she's not here. All right, whatever. Someone tell her that I went long Tesla, 618, 450 calls.
Oh, Lord, everybody load up.
No kidding.
No, I didn't say
Welcome to
that.
the party.
I did not say that.
How the
No, I
200-day
said
moving
that.
average yet again.
I exited puts and went long at the bottom, so
Yeah, I don't have the moving average on my screen, so I don't know where it is. But it's breaking the I think it'll break the 424.50 level, which is its midpoint. So I'm playing it up to 437, 440 and exit, where I usually always short.
Ticker. Possibly day two momentum. FLNC, Fluence Energy. Possibly day two momentum. Got really nice volume, up 7.5% on the day. I'm in the 30s for August and the 27s as well. My 27s are up 205%. My 30s are up 24%. FLNC.
All right. QCOM, ticker. That buy the dip earlier that we did, it's up 35%. Pressing into Monday's high. There's always going to be supply there. So cautiously trim some into that range, but we could get, like I said, that squeeze, that 4 or 5 point squeeze into 240. And then subsequently, I think we'll get follow through up to about 245. So we can see a large move here as long as we can break through this supply area. So keep an eye.
Now I got to go buy some Qualcomm now.
I called out Qualcomm earlier. Did you not take it? Damn, nobody listened.
No. It's not that no one's listening. Between juggling the positions that a person already has, a person can't just stop, drop, and roll every time somebody says something.
Anyways, Qualcomm 306.18 calls up 30%. Green bean.
There it goes. There's a squeeze candle.
All right, let's see if we can get this squeeze by.
I just lost some too.
So just real quick, looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum just took out that low, and it is in drill team 6 mode. Gold and silver really just kind of consolidating to the downside, keep having these sporadic bounces that haven't amounted to anything yet, because dust and fast has continued to trend up, currently pulling back. The 10-year looks actually spring loaded. The 10-year looks like it could get a nice little spike right here. RSP still kind of consolidating to the upside. MAGS had a nice spike pulling back. VVIX still looks like it's trying to continue to trend. NDX, SPX, SPY, QQQ, all looking like they're spring loaded, ready to continue trending higher. The Russell IWM looking like it's ready to go test that high a day in the 292 calls that expire today. Amazon finally got a nice little bounce, setting up nicely. The Dow looking like it could actually get a nice move and go test the high a day. Apple has been bullish all day. Microsoft actually just took out that low and is starting to look super duper bearish. Shouted that out earlier. Google has put together a nice set of green candles on the 15. Looks super duper strong. Nvidia looks super weak. See those black guys out, man. They talking about it's about to go down. I don't know how much lower down because support has been held on Nvidia. But Meta has just been consolidative all day. Tesla had a nice little bounce. Looks pretty strong. Palantir still looks relatively weak, although it's kind of holding support right here. Micron had a nice rejection, but right now it's kind of holding serve. Netflix still looks bearish. Potential age pattern is about to play out. AMD's getting a bounce right here, but had a nice sell hood as well. Broadcom has been holding serve. Adobe's been consolidating to the downside. Intel had a nice bounce, but it's just been kind of consolidative. Oracle's been a no touch, and you see MicroStrategy and Coin both trying to bounce into resistance, giving you a potential short entry.
Ticker IWM pushing over 291. These 292s are up 100%, raising stops.
Yeah, still expected move band. This straddle driven on IWM 291.32. It's the same high as earlier. Cautiously watch this area. I know the call wall's at 292, but wasn't priced in, so careful for the fade prior.
Yes, sir. I'm almost up 100% buy, so I'm almost there 94%, trying to get the sale at 100.
I like it. Broadcom, nice squeeze into 240. If we hold here, we should get the subsequent squeeze for at least another 3 to 5 points here. Position that we called out earlier this morning is up 70% as of now.
For today, zeros up 156%.
Anyone trade BMY? Berkshire, what is that? What is that? The Bristol.
That's Bristol Myers Squibb.
Yeah, $62.50 calls for 717, trading at 30 cents, 30,000 volume, about almost $1 million on it.
Yo, AJ.
Ticker Qualcomm 618 $300 calls next trim here, up 60%. Move up stops. Yo,
Those CD130s are up 10%. You should be up too.
B-Monks. I'm gonna hold them into earnings of 140s.
Yeah.
Good time.
Ticker IWM. The 292 calls for today, just closed them for 175% all out.
Slick move. Nice move. Good trade.
Thank you, sir.
Nice indeed. Still trying to get filled at my 100% mark. Still keep not getting filled, but I'm about to, I think. Still hold.
You should get it here, Kev.
Oh, man. Index has got some room to run here. SPX, another 13 points for me.
Yes, sir. Shout out to you, Sean. Got filled up 111% currently on my runners. IWM 292, boy.
Which one did you take?
I didn't just get in one, so I wouldn't tell you to get in one here.
No. I was asking which one you were in.
Oh, I'm in 7620s.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Ticker ON. I'm getting back in. It just broke out that 129.
I'm in 120s for September.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. This
Yeah.
I